Picture this. It's Sunday night. You're planning your first solo vacation to Miami. You're excited, but also overwhelmed. There's so much to figure out. You open ChatGPT and type, "Find me the cheapest flight to Miami, book a hotel near the beach, and create a 3-day itinerary." ChatGPT gives you helpful suggestions. Here are 5 airlines check. Here are some hotel options. But you have to do the work. You're bouncing between Google Flights, Booking.com, opening 10 tabs. Brain is fried. An AI agent, it just does it. It searches flights, compares prices, finds hotels, builds an itinerary, comes back and says, "Here's your trip, ready to go." One instruction, multiple actions. That's the difference. Think of it like this. A regular chatbot is like a GPS telling you, "Turn left on Oak Street. In 0.3 miles, turn right." An AI agent is like a self-driving car. You just say where you want to go. It figures out the route, watches for obstacles, adjusts when traffic shows up, and gets you there. You're sitting back, relaxed. The AI is doing the actual work.
Let me give you a personal one. You're in college, stressed about getting an internship. You're sitting at your desk at 11 p.m. thinking, "I need to apply to 20 companies, but I don't even know where to start." So you tell an AI agent, "Help me land a software engineering internship this summer." Here's what it actually does. It pulls your resume, gives you honest feedback, maybe says, "You should highlight your Python projects more." It searches job boards and finds 50 relevant internships. It customizes your cover letter for each one. Deadlines, so you don't miss anything. It even sets reminders, all while you sleep. Instead of you managing one piece, it manages the whole mission.
But here's the question everyone asks. How does the AI know what to do? Honestly, it's not magic. It follows a pretty human process. First, it understands your goal. Find me a cheap flight to Miami. Second, it breaks it into steps. Search Kayak, check Google Flights, compare prices. Third, it uses tools. Maybe a web browser, a calculator, a calendar app. Fourth, it checks the results. If something goes wrong, it tries again. It's basically how you solve problems. You don't do everything at once. You break it down. Use what you have, check your work, adjust. The AI agent just does this really fast and without getting tired or frustrated.
Another one everyone can relate to. You're shopping for a laptop. Budget, $1,000. Purpose, college. So you're on Reddit, asking friends, scrolling Amazon reviews. Your brother spent 3 hours on this last month. You tell an AI agent, "Find the best laptop under $1,000 for college." It doesn't just Google it. It searches Best Buy, Amazon, Newegg, tech review sites, compares specs side by side, reads actual customer reviews, filters out the budget options that are terrible, maybe even checks if there's a student discount, comes back with a short list. Here are the top 3, here's why each one wins, here's where to buy it cheapest. A task that takes humans hours, done in minutes. And you get a smarter answer because the AI looked at more options than you could manual.
Here's why this is actually a big deal. Tech company, I'm talking Google, OpenAI, Microsoft, even startups are spending billions on AI agents. Not because it's cool, because it's going to change how work gets done. Think about your own day. How much time do you spend on busy work? Copying and pasting information, filling out forms, organizing files, switching between apps? An AI agent could handle most of that. It's not replacing you, it's freeing you up to do the stuff that actually matters. The creative work, the thinking, the stuff that needs a human.
So here's the easy way to remember it. A chatbot answers your question. An AI agent answers your question and does something about it. A chatbot is like a smart friend who's great at explaining stuff. An AI agent is like a friend who also has the car keys and can actually take you places. Future isn't just AI that talks to you. It's AI that works alongside you, that moves from conversation to action. And if you're paying attention right now, you're getting in on the ground floor of something that's about to get really, really big. So next time you hear AI agent, don't think robot that does everything. Think AI that actually gets things done.